how to create a wellness and self-care products store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account to use the platform. So go to a new window and type Shopify, then click on the first link, and then click again on the first link that you will have. Then you will proceed to this page, click on start free trial, then enter your email and you will have your account created. Then you will proceed to your dashboard like this. This is where you're going to customize everything about your store. And in your left you have all of the elements that you will need. You have the home, the orders, the products, where you can create your products. So here you can just go to add products, and here you enter the title of the product. You can enter your description, or you can just generate one using AI, and then you proceed to add in the pictures and the videos of the product, the price, the compare at price, and here you will end with these other elements like the inventory, the shipping, and if the product has variants, you can add them in here. And here you can edit the search engine listing. After you're done, click on save to save the product. So here I'm going to discard. I don't want to create a product right now. So here I'm going to go to the online store to show you how you can adjust your store first. So here let's wait for it to load. Then let's see how does our store look like. So here click on view your store to see how it's looking like. So this is how it's looking like. This is our store, and this is the theme that we have installed in right now, and the name of the theme is Themes. And by scrolling down you will be able to see a bunch of themes that you can use, and all of these themes are free. There are some paid themes I'm going to show you. We have a lot of paid themes and a few of them are free. You can use them for free. So here let's filter by the free themes, and let's find a theme that will match our need. So here we want to create a wellness and self-care products store. So here we have a skincare theme, a hair and skin theme, fashion. This one is for juices, craft studio, and this one is for food, publisher, color book. I think I'm going to check this juices theme to see how it's looking like. Click on view demo store to see the store in full width. So this is how it's looking like. We have lemonades, juices. I think we can use this theme. We'll just need to replace these juices with some wellness products. So here click on try theme in order to install it in your dashboard. So here it's been added to our online store. You will just need to close this window. You will not need it anymore. And here we've been redirected to our dashboard. Give it a few seconds to load. And here by scrolling down you will see that it's loading. So after it's loaded, click on publish in order to have it as your current theme. So let's click on publish again, then it will be your current theme. After that, click on customize to start changing this theme. So here guys, the thing I like about this platform is that you can easily change the design that you have. You can easily make changes to your theme. You will not need any programming, or you will not even need to look for the thing that you will need to change. You just have to scroll down, and when you see what you want to change, just click on it like this. Then you will be able to change it. So for example, let's start by changing our announcement bar. So here, if you want to change the theme, the scheme, you can change it in here. And I'm going to turn on this option, and I'm going to leave it at 5 seconds. Then I'm going to change what's written inside it. I'm going to remove this to 50% off today only. Then I'm going to add another announcement. Let's go with free shipping worldwide, like that. And then you will see that it's rotating every 5 seconds between these two announcements, just like that. Then let's change the header, for example. So here you can change the position of your desktop logo. If you want to have it in your top center, and it will take a little bit of space, or if you want to have it in your top left, it's still taking some space, or if you want to save space, you can go with the middle left or the middle center, like that. I'd like to have it in the middle left, like this. And then let's add our logo. Go to the theme settings, and then click on logo, and here click on select image in order to choose the file of your logo from your desktop, or you can just click on explore free images, and here you can choose a picture to be your logo. For example, let's choose this one, for example. And here, after choosing it, click on select, and by scrolling down you will be able to play with the width. Let's have it at 80 pixels, just like that. And here guys, when you're done with making all of the changes that you want to make, click on save in order to save the changes. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.